Hey everyone, it's Trader Rob. Wanted to go over a trade breakdown here that happened on the ES. This was a signal that was a signal and a setup that was provided on stream from the 6886. So let's jump into the chart. I'm going to show you my entry, where my stop loss came from, and both of my take profits. So jumping over to the charts, we can see here, this was our entry, perfect entry, zero drawdown. Could have obviously taken a lot more on this trade to the downside, but still very, very nice trade, very little drawdown. Now let's see where this trade originated from. So right here. All right. So as you guys, we're on the 5-minute right now. As you guys can see, we would have a 5-minute level smack right here at the 68.88. Now you can see that my entry was about a 1.5 under this 5-minute level. Now again, why is this a 5-minute level? Obviously, we get a very strong reaction to the downside. We break structure on the 5-minute. What does that mean to me? It means that we've left liquidity here. And that is exactly what I am looking for, is unbalanced volume always. Now, how did I get my adjustment from the 68.88 to the 68.86? Well, very simply done. If we take a look at the volume profile, that is my bump out there for volume. And my stop loss is put in an area where it's going to have a challenge to get right back up into my stop loss. Now, once you guys see the TPs, you're going to say, wow, the TPs look like they're very easy to hit. And the stop loss looks like it would be a lot more difficult to hit. And that's exactly what I am looking for. Now, the secondary confirmation, and again, this volume profile is going to look maybe just a slightly bit different because this is about a day and a half old now. So we've had price action obviously in these regions. So the volume profile is going to be shifting just a little bit, but the actual premise of the trade is exactly the same. And then again, if you were looking at your level 2, if you had Bookmap, you would have seen where the orders were stacking up, which was pretty much from the 85s out to the 87s. That's where you had your big pool of orders coming in. So that would have been like your third confirmation piece. You got your level, fits nicely on the volume profile, and then 3, you get a confirmation with your level 2 that yes, this is an area that they are looking at. Now, as far as my TPs, if I drop down to the 1-minute, I will show you where that was the entry right here. Okay, so the same time area, okay, just now on the 1-minute. So I've already found my entry. I've already found my stop loss. Now what I'm looking for is to find my TPs. And my TPs are very simple. It's the exact same way that I find my entry is how I find my stop loss. I'm sorry, my take profit. I'm looking now on the 1-minute. You always got to jump down to the 1-minute. Sometimes on the NQ, you can jump down to like the 30-second. I go over this very much in detail in the masterclass that's coming out. But here you go. You get a break of structure on the 1-minute. Price action tried coming up. Big break of structure on the 1-minute right here. There's your TP1. TP2, exact same scenario. Market tried coming back up. Strong move to the downside. Broke structure on the 1-minute. That is my area for my take profit 2. So that is how I analyze each and every setup that I take. I could tell you that December's been a little bit more tricky. Well, I would say the last week of November up to until December has been a little bit more tricky, but starting to see the flows and the ins and flows of the market here. So I'm hoping that we can have a pretty nice end of December here on the signals and on stream. So hopefully this helps. I'll be keep posting more of these because I know that you guys are asking, hey, where are these levels coming from? How is, I want to find these setups on my own. So hopefully each one of these videos and the masterclass that comes out will put a lot of those questions to rest. Wishing you guys the best. Take care.